Good day everyone, this is Tender. So let's dive into the video. So in this particular video I want to explain everything about ad set. Now what is ad set? So ad set contains everything like your budget, target, and your placement. Yes, so I want to explain everything. So if you watch this video, just listen. Okay, now what is budgeting? Now budget is when you just decide on amount of money you want to spend on ad. So now we have daily budget. As you can see here, we have daily budget and we have lifetime budget. What is the difference between daily budget and lifetime budget? Daily budget is the amount you want to spend daily on ad. It's the amount of money you want to spend daily on ad. What about lifetime budget? Lifetime budget is the total amount of money you want to spend on a particular ad. For example, if you set lifetime budget, if you set it to, if you set it to like 50k, so you won't spend more than 50k on that particular ad. So for professionals, I think it's better you just set daily budget. Just set daily budget so that anytime you can just on and off your ad. So you don't need a lifetime budget. So you can just edit your daily budget here. Okay, the lowest is 500, but at least when you are running hard, you can start with at least 2,000 naira daily. Yeah, because the more you spend daily, the more you reach people. So if your ad is good, you don't need to be worried about the amount of money you are spending once you are getting the result. So now we have the starting date, that's schedule. For example, let's say we are creating the ad today, Sunday, then you decide, okay, I want my ad to run on Saturday. Then you can decide to set the date when you want it to start running and the time also, and the end date. You set an end date. For example, the ad will be useless once it is the date you set. For example, if you set the date into 2 weeks time, it will just be, the ad will just stop working. So if you need to use the ad again, you have to create another one. So it is better not to set an end date. Okay, now audience. What is audience in Facebook ad? Audience is the people you want Facebook to show your ad to. So you have to tell them. Now how do you tell them? You can choose location. You can tell Facebook that, okay, I want you to show my ad to people in Nigeria or to people in Ghana, and you can even choose more than that. You can choose town, you can choose everything related to that. Let's see, this is Nigeria. Okay, so you can zoom in. This is Nigeria, right? So this is, but instead of wasting time doing this, you can just search, like for example, Oyo. You see, Oyo State, Nigeria. That means you are targeting Oyo State in particular. You see, that means you targeting Oyo State in particular. You see, so you can add as many locations as you want. You can even add Ghana here, but it is better if you just choose. So you can choose Ghana as a country, so that's it. But if you are choosing too much location, you'll be but as a professional, you don't have to pick so many locations, because it is advisable not to reach all the people, you know, all the people you want to reach with your ad, with one particular ad. You can create so many ad, you know, and define your target. So it is better you create one ad for like Nigeria, create another ad for Ghana, and create that will be better. But if you are creating for states, you don't need to do that. But if you are creating for, you don't need to, like, you know. So we have Nigeria here. So Nigeria as a country, I've chosen it. Now age. Of course, you know, on your Facebook password, on your Facebook profile rather, sorry, you do set your date of birth, so Facebook would know your age. So with this, you can tell Facebook that, okay, I want you to set my, I want you to show my ad to people from the age of 20 to 65 or to 50, you know. So just set it, and that's, you know, we call something marketing research, you know. So I will talk about it in another video, you know, another video in marketing folder. Check it, it is inside this course, you'll find it there. So now gender, this will give you opportunity to also target a particular gender. You can decide to target men alone, you can decide to target women alone, so, and you can decide to target the both of them, like all the gender. Now detail targeting. So this is when you do your detail targeting. This is when you target that particular people you want them to show, then your ad to be shown to. For example, let's say web. Okay, so you see websites here, and you see interest on it here. Now if you select this, you see it is added, it is interest. As you can see, it is interest. So people, Facebook will show your ad to people interested in website, in bracket computer and electronic. So, you know, for example, now let's say you want to sell a course on maybe web development. So you can choose anything related to website here. Just search for it, web design, web design. Okay, you can see web design, web development. So you can choose anything related to, you know, learning web design, when you are selling a course related to that. So now there are ways. So now you can target demographic. Yes, you can target demographic. You can target interest. Yes, let's check the interest you can target. Okay, you can see my interest. Okay, people interested in business, you see advertising, architect, you know, all this one. People interested in banking, you see, people interested in design. Just check everything and choose. Scroll. Entertainment, you know, you can just go pick whatever it is. So I'll be talking about marketing research. What is marketing research? That marketing research is like that kind of research you carry out to know those people that are really interested in buying your products. So I'll be talking about that in other video. So you can target behavior. Yeah. Now behavior, you see anniversary, you can target behavior here. You can see, you see purchase behavior here. Wait, I think I see behavior. Okay, purchase behavior, purchase with offer. You see, you can select it, digital activities and all that. So you can select anything related to, you know, what you want to do. Now placement, if you don't forget, this is meta ad, this is meta ad. So meta comprises of all meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram and others, WhatsApp and others. So now placement, you see automatic placement, that's use of, that means Facebook will just be showing it, let's say use to maximize your budget and help you show your to more people. But it is preferred as a professional you choose manual placement. Now the platforms you want it to be shown, you can decide that okay, I want it to be shown. Now audience network are other meta platforms. Now you can decide to choose only Facebook, you can decide to choose Instagram plus Instagram. So if you choose this placement, your ad will be shown on Facebook. If you choose Instagram, your ad will be shown on Instagram. If you choose audience network and your ad will be shown in audience network. If you choose messenger, your ad will be shown in messenger. Okay, now for example, let's say I want to choose, because I prefer choosing only Facebook sometimes. Now let's say I choose Facebook only. You can see scroll down here, you will see all Facebook platforms. So you can decide that okay, I don't want my ad to be shown on video feed, so you can untick it, you see, and you can tick it back. So now all this tick Facebook feed, all this tick one, your ad will be shown there. So your ad will be shown on Facebook story, Instagram, you see, your ad will be shown in everything, in article and all that. So that is that about ad sets. So don't forget, it comprises your audience, your budget and placement. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. My name remains Emmanuel, better known as Tender.